Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 2000 Chevy Silverado Regency edition. It is a beautiful truck, awesome black and gray paint job. Some cool little details right there. On the inside we have a kind of gray interior, all leather interior, with a wood finish on the console section. Crew door cabs right there. 3 seats in the back. Beautiful ride, honestly. This thing rides amazingly. And what a cool looking truck. It's got the side steps there. On the back, it's got the top over it. Nice and easy to lift up. It is hydraulic hinged. Back drops right down. Alright, let's take a look inside the dash. Sorry about the wind here in Florida. It's been a little windy here with those storms passing by. There we go. Very beautiful on the inside. Clean, well maintained. All the gadgets work. And let me get the keys out and we can start her up, and then we'll take a listen under the hood. The air does blow nice and cold. All right, let's take a look under the hood. All right, we're gonna take this down the street real quick. It's just me today. Easier to drive some of these newer cars and do the video myself. Just a nice ride. If you're looking for a truck, just an everyday truck, this is amazing. Very smooth. Let's go ahead and pull out here. Let's see how she gets going. Oh yeah. Gears change very well. Already up to about 55, working on 60, just like that. Air is ice cold. Steering wheel drives great as well. Nice and smooth, it's not rattling around, stays straight. All right, well let's go ahead, whip this around real quick, and then we will take a look underneath. All right, let's take a look underneath now. Everything looks to be in great condition. As you could hear when we drove down the road, there's no rattles, no shakes. Very clean bottom. Well taken care of. Let's go ahead and whip around real quick so that we can see a little better. Yeah, beautiful truck. This would be a great everyday driver. Something to pull the boat with. Keep everything protected in the back hatch. Let us know if you have any questions or if you'd like to come take a test drive. All right, everybody, have a great day.